Okay, let's create this search bar. Before I create it, I will hide this search foot frame because we have work to do on the home page. So select the search foot page and in here I will lock it, which means I can't edit the design, and then I click on this eye icon and it will disappear, and I will do the same to the wireframe too. Okay, let's create the search box. To create the search box, I click on rectangle, then click on the frame, and now I will set the height of the rectangle as 45, and then I will convert this to auto layout. Press on shift and A, then I will set this size as fill container. So I will change the rectangle size to fill container. Okay, now I will change this fill color to white, and let's add the shadow effect. To add the shadow effects, just click on the rectangle and in the effect, click here, click the plus icon, then click on this sun icon, and now I will make Y as 0. Let's increase this, and now I will change blur to like 15. 15 is too much, let's make it like 8 and increase the opacity to like 50. Okay, now I will add corners, like let's add corners to like 25. Okay, and the shadows are too black, so let's change the opacity to 25. Okay, now if we check it on the design, it will look like this, and if we want, we can add a stroke around the search box, but for now this will be good. And if there has any contrast issue or accessibility issues, we will change the design. Okay, now we have to add this search box. To do that, I will go to the font awesome, and in font awesome search. So in here I just added the search box, and we have to add it inside this container. To do that, I select the search box and press Command X to cut it, and in here press Command V to paste it. Okay, now we select this rectangle as horizontal fill, so there is no space to add this search box, so that's why this search box put under the text box. So if I make the layout as horizontal layout, it will look like this, but we need to add this search box inside the search bar. To do it, I will select the search box, and then in here I can make this content absolute position, which means we can put this search icon anywhere on the design like this, because it no longer depend on this auto layout. We can freely adjust the position of this search box. Let's put it on here and like this. Then I will change it color to theme color. So when I click this, it only click the auto layout. If I only want to click this search box, I have to double click here, but there is a shortcut. So the shortcut is press Command key and just click on the icon that you want to select. As an example, if I want to select this logo, if I select it like this, the whole layout selected, but if I press Command and select it, it will select the bottom item. So in Mac it Command, in Windows I think it should be Control. Just play with the keys. Okay, so now I click on this vector icon and select the dark color like this. Okay, now in UX, the negative spacing is really important, because if we have good negative spacing, it will help users to read it correctly and understand the relative of the design. So to add the negative spacing, we can directly add it to the home auto layout. So I click on the home frame, and in here I will add negative spacing, or I add the vertical gap as 60. Now if I check on the markup, it will look like this. Okay, this is an insightful lesson from the Learn UI UX app design with Figma course. So if you are ready to improve your UI UX skills, you can find the complete course on Udemy. Click the first link on the description to check it out. Let's continue the learning adventure together. See you in the full course.